Hi friends, it's Julia. Guess what I got in the mail today? I got my new Felicity Jane Christmas kit. I know, right? Let me get this bad boy open. I'm so excited. Because I need more Christmas, right? Yeah. Oh, look. There's an ornament here. Or a little charm. So cute. And it says Christmas 2020. Well, I'm gonna have to undo that and take that off. And it's got FJ on one side. How cute is that? You could use these in your scrapbooking, or you could use them on the Christmas tree. Does that have, yeah, that has, it looks like maybe a plastic coating on it. So cute. And then the little card, the thank you card. Holy moly, I love that embossing. Oh, sparkles, so cute. Okay, my battery's going, so let me change batteries and I'll open this with you. Okay, so I thought I had the camera running. I didn't. I pulled up my paper first. I just moved all of the cut up stuff to the inside, and I'm pulling out my paper first to see. This is the Cocoa paper pack. Oh my gosh, it's so lovely, but totally not my Christmas colors, and that's okay. Oh, and there's stuff in the back as well. Look at that. You get these almost like paint strips, paint chips, what do you call them? The strips that have the ombre colors of different color paints. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? So there's those. That is single-sided. Gosh, those are so cute. A couple small little doilies. And then it looks like these could be traveler notebook pages or just, oh, look at that, Christmas gifting list. You could punch holes if you had a smaller album. And then these are just additional pieces. I love that black plaid there. Oh my gosh. This makes me so happy. And then of course you saw the front. And they had the red and green paper on sale, grab bag paper for $5, I think. And I think there's 25 sheets in here, so, or maybe 20 sheets. Anyway, I picked up another one because, you know, I'm all about Christmas aesthetic. The back side of this one is a little bit darker, and then the front side of this one is a little bit lighter. So if you guys need Christmas paper or red or green paper, yeah, hop on over there. Oh, I thought that was the darker side, and that's the lighter side, a peachy color. And then this one is the dark green, and then the brighter light green. So yeah, worth its weight for $5. Okay, so everything else I believe came with the kit, with the exception of this. I purchased separately, and this is the Cocoa. She reminds me of that one a couple of months ago that came out, who had the glitter that she was blowing to, but you can blow stars or little dots. So cute. And I think this was the one that came with the kit, and then I ordered that black plaid separately. So the two washi tapes. Everything else I think came with the kit. So these are the pocket page cards. And of course I'm going to look, right? I love that black. I wish we had that on a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. I love that. Oh, and the snow globe is so cute. Red stripe. Oh, what fun. And it's on a grid background. December date and details. It's like a library pocket card. That is the black gingham. Oh, look at that. It's almost like a furry little circle ball. Like they took a puffy pom-pom ball and smashed it down. And that red with white dots, diagonal black and white stripe. Mary in all the colors from the kit. The Most Wonderful Time of the Year. That one is also on a grid. And then the number 25 with gold stars in the background. Super cute. These are additional to I don't remember seeing all of these. Look at that. Holy cow. The Most Wonderful Time of the Year and all of that Christmas greenery. Holly leaves and berries. So much to be grateful for. Just a journal spot with a mint color trim. The black plaid. December in red, green, and black. The black check, green with white dots, a wreath, black with white lines and a gray center, black dots on a white background, red and white stripes, diagonal stripes, Happy Christmas, joy, oh, what do you call those, swag garlands, black and green check, gray dots on a white background. I guess it could be like snow, right? The black and white plaid with the circle in the center. Oh, and cocoa up close. Black dots on a white background, scalloped gray edges. Houses with a little floral leaf cluster around. Black stripes on a white background. That is almost a gray wood grain, very pale. Gold stripes, diagonal stripes. You can put week, number, whatever. Red with white dots. Family on green. Black diagonal stripes. Green diagonal stripes. That stitched red. 'Tis the Season, a pink polka dot, pink background with white polka dot, diagonal red stripes, a part of the plaid with black, presents, love that, the leafy border wreath, peace in green, joy in black, love in red, a big red bow, December bucket list, larger stitches in black, memories, 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 December memories, memories, memories. Gold with gold with white polka dots, a green Christmas tree, that pink color with scalloped interior white square rectangle, joy. Red background with white dots. Thankful for you. Black stripes. The scallop in black. And a Christmas tree with the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 25. So wow, those are awesome. So I guess if you're doing all like pocket page cards for the month, that would be awesome. These are tags and they're embossed. And I think this is watercolor paper because it's off-white. I'm trying to get it close so you can see. Those are stars. And then it's got an embossed Christmas tree. And then it's got polka dots. And then it's got the word joy. And then just stripes. And then a single star. Yeah, so how many was that? 2, 4, 6 tags. Nice. I don't ship enough packages out to be able to keep up with all of this. The numbers are black chipboard this year. Very cute. There are gold chipboard stars. They're large and small. These are mini envelopes. It doesn't give the dimensions, it just says mini envelopes. So you get that black with the floral print, just a plain white one with gingham on the inside, black polka dots, a large gingham, red with white polka dots, and then black striped. So this plain white one was the only one that had the inside of it embellished, and there's 6 of those as well. Oh, this is going to be so fun. It makes me want to do like a Project Life type album. These are the pocket fronts. So if you want to put journaling cards in there, you can, these come with adhesive on there. You can glue that down. That is a felt star, y'all, that is sewn down to the pocket. That plaid, the dots, and the stripes. There's 4 of these. So cute. This embellishment puffy sticker pack, and you can see you get December, the numbers, and then some images down here. This one are the cardstock words, and I see Christmas and I see Mary. I see 2 Marys and 2 Christmas. And then these are the acetate and vellum. I don't have a binder, so these, I won't be using them as binder separate pages, but maybe as just embellishments in my pages. This one is vellum. I love that. The gingham, polka dot, and then acetate red stripe and acetate black with dots. I know you're not going to see that. There we go. And then a grid pattern, black grid. And on the back of that is a gray grid. Does the back of that one? Yeah, the back of this has a gray dot behind the black dot. And then the back of the red stripe is almost a silvery gray stripe. So that's fun stuff to have to play with. The sequins, and they're in star shape in multiple colors. Oh, that's going to be fun to play with. I say that. Cocoa labels. These are off-white with a gold border. And I think they're all on a tear-off sheet, I think. Oh, this package is way smarter than I am. Here we go. Yeah. They have a perforated edge there that you can tear these from, and they're all different colors of tickets or labels. I love these kind of things. They are so versatile in what you are scrapbooking. Oh, love, love, love these. I've loved everything so far. Not necessarily a traditional theme. This is a stencil with stars. How fun is that? The ephemera pack, and I'm just going to hold it up here so you can see these. They have the standard, the Cocoa Girl already pre-printed and cut out. They have a Christmas tree, stockings, a wreath, ornaments, floral clusters, tabs, labels, some just random little bits. And they're off-white as well. This is the Alpha. It is a puffy black Alpha. This is the stamp set for Coco, and it's got Christmas trees. It's got a house with snowflakes coming down. It's got a big snowflake here, a heart, a star, another Christmas tree, home for the holidays, the house, Christmas, joy, holiday traditions, memories, cozy, I believe, ho ho ho, merry and bright, a Christmas present and the magic, and then some ornaments with a, what do you call it? Like a border that you hang your ornaments off of. A string. Don't you love that? Oh, I get tongue-tied sometimes. And these are the Cardstock Dividers for Coco. And these are if you're going to use the little mini album or a mini album. They had one that you could have ordered along with the kit, but I chose not to. So I'm at a point in life where I don't do a December daily, but I do Christmas memories. So, oh, that's just a pop-out piece from where it was punched. Super cute with those gold foil stars. That just has a tag appearance at the top, and it's already pre-punched for their album. This is a pocket here. Another pocket on this one. And then two white ones. Oh, the calendar. Nice. So you could do that in an album, or you could put these, you know, cut these off and put these on a scrapbook page to create your calendar for the month. I think if you cut off all the extra space, your calendar would fit on a 12 by 12 nicely. Yeah. You would have extra space at the bottom even. So good. Yeah, and the backs are polka dots. So that's good news. I may get some use out of those. And then the, what do you call it? The trims. Oh, and there's a charm. Okay, I think I got to the point where I open the trims. I have these two little bells, three little bells, a bow, a tassel, another tassel, yeah, and then these trims. Oh, look at that. I don't know what that fabric is, but it is so pretty. Sparkly. There's a gold glitter trim, that eyelash trim with clear eyelash on it, just a grosgrain in dark green, a silk in red, a pom-pom in white, another eyelash in white, a gingham, a velvet ribbon, and then another eyelash in white. Ooh, that's super long. That's like twice as long as anything else. And then these little ones here. So yeah, that is my Coco Christmas kit. I'm super excited to be able to play with this at some point. Like I said, I don't necessarily know that I will use these for Christmas, but the option is always there. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Felicity Jane Christmas kit, minus the album, because I didn't get the album, but everything else. And I had the few extras. I had the stamp, or the girl stamp, and then I bought the extra roll of washi tape, and then I bought the paper from the grab bag section, the Christmas green and red paper. Anyway, guys, I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.